Yo, what's good? Here's the August 7th trade recap. Let's get into it. Alright. Pretty simple. Boom. London high right here. Got formed, move up, move down. Right at 7, we tap into it. Then at 7:25, we get a rejection. 7:30 was news, so I couldn't enter right then. But then we tapped into it again, and we got a rejection, so I entered. Target right here, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Put my stop above the high. Boom, we got stopped out. Price action was horrible. It consolidated basically the whole time, but it's not my fault. I mean, it's not price action's fault that I lost. It's my fault I lost because I chose to enter the trade. Never blame the markets, always blame yourself. But this is my strategy perfectly. And yeah. That's why you just don't gotta get emotional when you lose, because losses are bound to happen. And they will happen. So if you follow your strategy, today was a win. Because in the long run, I'll be profitable using this strategy. And the model and edge I've made for myself, so yeah.